Hello, everyone. This is Teacher Linda G. And today I'm going to be sharing with you more tips on how to overcome some of the challenges that you're having with learning English. So welcome to my channel. The first tip I'm going to share with you is to not be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of language learning. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. I'm currently trying to learn to speak Spanish and I am making mistakes, but I'm noticing that that's how I'm learning. So go ahead and start speaking even if you make mistakes. Tip number 2 is to use a variety of resources. So you want to try different resources like textbooks, online courses, or maybe apps to find what works better for you. There are some students that prefer using books. Other students prefer taking online courses and listening to the courses. But other students prefer working with a teacher, and that's why I've had so many students over the years because they wanted to practice conversations and improve their grammar. So find what works better for you. Another tip is to learn with other people. You might want to join a language learning community, or in some libraries, I know in Canada, in a lot of the libraries, they offer some conversation groups. So you may want to join a language conversation group, or you may want to find a friend that you can practice with. So practicing with yourself is one thing, but learning and practicing with other people can also be very, very beneficial. The other thing I want to suggest is to take some breaks, right? I had a student one time that practiced and practiced and practiced and practiced and practiced so much that he was getting frustrated, almost burnt out. So take breaks every now and then, right? While you take breaks, it can help you avoid burnout and it also will help you stay motivated in your language learning because learning a new language takes time. It takes a lot of time and it does take a lot of practice, but you want to enjoy it at the same time. So take some breaks while you're learning. And finally, the last tip is to celebrate your progress. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small they may seem. When I went to Oaxaca, Mexico, I needed to speak Spanish. And it was hard, but I did it and I celebrated. Yes, I did it. Even though I made mistakes, it didn't matter. It didn't matter because I communicated in Spanish. So please celebrate your progress. As soon as you make a sentence or you've asked someone to do something in English, for example, or you've asked someone for something in English, yes, celebrate that. So remember, learning a language takes time and takes effort. But with these tips, you can overcome the challenges and become successful in learning English. This is Teacher Linda G. Subscribe to my channel, like this video for more great videos, and I will see you soon. Bye now. Take care.